Hello, anatomy students. I just wanted to make a quick video to ensure that everybody knows how to find the daily agendas and assignments that we're doing during this remote learning period. And so what we're looking at here on the screen is my homepage in Canvas for our class, Anatomy and Physiology. The first thing that you should notice is that you should have the most recent 4 announcements up here at the top of your page. And I like to use announcements kind of as your gateway into the agendas because that's going to prevent you from having to go into the modules. There's a lot of stuff that's in those modules and where you can find things. I just thought that this might be a faster, more streamlined way to do that. So what you first have to look for is the RLD for the date that you want. And so what I've got here, this is just an announcement about a couple of open note quizzes that I posted this morning. Today is Monday, April 6th, so this is talking about enrichment, so that's something that's a little bit different. These are the lecture recordings for April 2nd and 3rd. So if you miss class, you could click on those. But this is the whole class meeting agenda for RLD April 2nd and 3rd. So I just wanted to click here because you're going to be taken to an announcement, which is kind of scant. There's not a whole lot of information there. The instruction is very clear. Click here for the assignment. So that's what I'm going to do. And it takes me to the day's agenda. So this is where you have the purpose, the description of the task. I've got a link here for you to go directly to the attendance page so you don't have to go to the module to do that. And then I've got the agenda regarding what we'll talk about as a whole class during the meeting. And so on this day, we reviewed the enrichment activity. I told you about the endocrine test. Here's your independent work. And I added the links to the open note quizzes here that I need you to do before our next class meeting. And then submission of work. Now, how to submit is here at the bottom. But if you're looking for the link for the Flipgrid video test, you have to come back up to the top. And so here is where it says, click for the Flipgrid assignment. So anyway, this is the way that you get to our daily agendas. Now, there is another way. You can definitely click on the menu bar and click on modules. And the way that I have this set up is that I've got the Remote Learning Day module right here at the top where it says Remote Learning. Start here, that's your check-in form. And then here is the whole class Remote Learning Day for April 2nd and 3rd. And so if I click here, you're going to see exactly the same agenda that I was just showing you. But, if you wanted to see maybe another class agenda from earlier in the week or earlier in the last couple of weeks, then you just have to find the date of the class and then you can click on it. And then I've also included like some other recordings, like class recordings, video recordings of lectures and things like that. I just have them indented. The ones that are indented, they refer to the agenda that you would find above it. So this one for COVID-19, this refers to the enrichment activity that I posted on April 1st. And this recording for Remote Learning Day, March 19th and 20th, this refers to our whole class, which is above it. So that's what the indentations actually mean. So like I said, you can get to everything just by going to announcements first. Find the announcement date that you are looking for at the top, and then there we go. And then you'll be able to go directly to the assignment page just by following the links that I have there. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I hope that this video was helpful. Bye.